As the candidates of Usawa, we have many MPs, many MCAs, and we are working together so that we can secure as many seats as possible.
We are the foot soldiers of Usawa Wote Party, and we are very strong, very formidable, and very united. And we are telling our opponents, Muranga, it's Usawa to go.
And we are hoping we are going to get a good number of the seats within the national parliament, even with the county governments, and we are prepared for that.
So we are on the ground and we are going to clean all these seats because Usawa Party is a party that deals with household empowerment. Household empowerment is Usawa Party's manifesto.
And I know by the time we get to election, you will feel our presence on the ground so that we prove to those who are saying Usawa is not there that we are there and we are moving forward.